Hello YouTube, back at it again. We're now in the shed. I'm gonna take you on the other side. Kijk, this is the idea. Here it's standing on a working bench. Take a little look around. Yeah. It's got a lot of things. Also a lot of rotzooi. We call it. So that's a sort of a hoarder. Oh, the rims, yes. One of those curbs. Sand them down. Okay, I'm gonna take you with me in the process. Yes, un momento, por favor, be right back. By the way, I'm gonna sand it with 80 grit for starters. And I can show you guys a little bit of with the bare hand. I'll be right back. Okay guys, while sanding, I got pretty nice, but I need some fill, but I don't know if I can polish Bondo. So now we're gonna do this black, of course, and then there, and polish the inside. And polish that, and that black. Absolutely polish the inside or the outside. Okay guys, I'm gonna repeat the process. I don't know quite what I'm gonna do with it now. Maybe you got some suggestions. I put some off bites and I put it on there. Let it work in for 30 minutes. I think this is a paint job over the things. Never gonna get it off. And I think the aluminium turns white. Some spots, I think that's the half bites I used to. So it turns white. It's gonna react with aluminium, so take you guys back. Un momento, por favor. Hello YouTube, back at it again. I let it work for about 20-30 minutes. And now I'm gonna see. What does it do? Yeah, doesn't really do anything, but be right back. Well, it's definitely paint coming off. So now we do that. Sand a little and make a conclusion. The white stuff I'm getting to, I think it's the primer. And then I'll get to the aluminium, probably. Well, take you back. I'm gonna sand it. 80 grit. Well guys, sanded it with 80 and 180. What to do? Okay guys, back at it again. Please like and subscribe and give me some comments on how we're gonna do this. My last initial thoughts are I'm gonna paint it black. And I'm gonna paint black on the outside, and I'm gonna try to make a mirror finish on the inner side. How about that? Okay, be right back. Well guys, I think I'm gonna chrome mirror finish this until that and this, and the rest swart. Matte black and mirror finish. And a black thing is in the middle. That would be nice. That would be goddamn nice.